Moto eh. Ito nga pala yung yung bagong unit ngayon ng Motorola.
Tingin.
Yan.
Anong pangalan ng unit niyan, sir?
Sobrang bago. Inaalika mo.
Kaso nga lang, basta Motorola na lang. Basta binibenta to.
Ano po yung iba? Ano po yung iba pa niyo unit po?
Ito pa yung Ito yung ibang unit.
Pwede po ba yung pangkaskas ng yelo?
Oo. Ito yung, double purpose to. Pangkaskas ng yelo. Pwedeng pan-text, pantawag.
May camera po ba yan?
Marketing, hindi ka marunong mag-endorse
Sige, marketing.
Marketing, ito tayo sa marketing.
Ito isa.
Ito tayo sa marketing.
Nokia.
Sir, can I ask what's this?
Hindi, ito nga, ikaw nga yung buyer.
What's the name of the product?
What's the name of the product? Nokia.
What's the brand unit?
Brand unit.
6210. 6210.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I present you this Nokia 5210.
6210.
Please correct me if I'm wrong. This is 6210. This function can have smart unlock. When you snatch your phone, the one who snatched will take a picture. And then direct it to the police and it will blatter. This is the new latest.
Seryoso?
That has in the market. Look, this is the durability. Wanna test the durability?
Yes.
You see that? Look, my head. It's wet.
God.
When you smash it in your head, it gets wet.
Wow. Siya pa yung nasasaktan. Grabe.
You...
Buyer, anong masasabi mo doon, buyer?
I'm convinced.
Convincing ba?
Convincing.
Convincing ba, guys?
Convincing.
Wait.
There's more.
There's more.
There's more.
Look at the antenna.
The
The antenna is like a...
Dildo?
What you call that? The globe broad, the tower?
Wi-Fi.
The satellite tower?
Satellite now?
Hindi.
It is the latest now. Look at the tower, so tall.
Like this, it has an antenna.
Yan, like that.
Wi-Fi.
This new gadget is like a signal
Booster.
booster.
Okay.
Then it has a dual purpose.
What is the second purpose?
When you have sinus, you put it in here. Like this. You see that?
Effective.
Look.
Tagulin.
Now, you
Amazing.
just buy Samsung. No, prepare me if I'm wrong.
Prepare me.
Motorola and Nokia. Buy this.
Prepare me if I'm wrong.
Buy this,
Okay.
Okay.
End of advertising. Uy, ba tayo mag-end?